Hello everyone, Ice Hat FPV here. Hope you're all having a great day. Check this out. I've gone and attached my run cam to this rod where I had Superman in one of my other videos. I'm gonna see if I can get some footage of my quad flying while in the air. So it's starting to rain a little bit here, so maybe we'll get a flight in before it starts pouring. I don't know. Alright, I'll get going.
Yeah. Boobadoo-bee, doobadee-doo. Boobity-bow. Boop-be-loo. Just 17.